美国今年11月份要来举办总统大选，拜登甲 Trump 各再来对决。即马两大党是发现讲亚洲的选举人数，这4党来增加200万人，所以真有可能就是输赢的关键。
今年距离今年纽约街仔路人龙人狮真热烈，真侪民众规街仔出来庆祝新年。根据统计，美国的亚裔选民过去4年加15%，大概是200万人。 是成长上最的族群。虽然过去这阵人伫大选时投票无踊跃，不过2020年亚裔首投族突破2成，伫佐治亚甲内华达阁是25%甲26%，显示伫个选情当紧张的时阵，亚裔嘛会当发挥关键的力量，尤其是伫摇摆州。
2016, when Democrats lost the presidential election, we saw that in most of the battleground states, eligible Asian voters outnumbered the number of votes that Hillary Clinton lost by. So for the 2020 election, we knew that in many of those battleground states, we needed to make sure they turned out. And in states like Georgia, we saw that investment to be effective.
拜登2020年摕到72%亚裔选票的支持，是会当调的摇摆州制胜的重要因素。即马若民主党票过条条，共和党嘛要过来闯。加州县的女众议员柏林主的团队用7种语言和亚裔选民沟通。
You know what? 2022, me and my volunteers, we knock on the doors more than 193,000 houses. They're all same, especially California. How are we gonna stop inflation? How are we gonna, not too much increase of gas prices? We can control that, and then crime. That we really have to stop it.
若伫美国出世、接受高等教育的第2代亚裔选民，即马佫意识到因爱用选票来表达意见，这当替因的囡仔打造更较好的社会环境。
And we're much more well educated than maybe our parents were, right? So we can make educated decisions in the voting, and we need people who are well educated to be not, passive about the election. We need to have our voice heard and said, and we need to contribute, because that's eventually going to form the society that our children grow up in.
안녕하세요. 저희 여기 민권센터.
目前伫华府甲纽约等地，拢有亚裔民众成立的民间组织，呼吁亚裔选民伫11月大选踊跃来投票。除了关心民生问题，移民政策对亚裔国家优先，嘛是因关心的重点。
Typically, Indians and Japanese Americans are biggest supporters of Democrats, and Vietnamese Americans are actually large supporters of Republicans. Now, Chinese Americans, they have shifted from being Democrat to now their largest identification is independent.
亚裔选民人口结构复杂多元，有观察指出讲，和顶一届大选比起来，亚裔对民主党的支持当咧退烧。 共和党是咧边仔举刀仔咧等，但要过民主党的条卡。亚裔选票是这届选战双方必争之地。公视新闻詹慧敏编译。